so we are getting out. It's 11th Leela Palace in Bhartiya City. আমার জন্য
তোকে খাওয়াচ্ছি আগে
তো বড় বলো তো পাপড়ি চাট and the পালক পাতা got 14,000 subscribers. I am so full. Joe, did you know there was sushi? You used to be funny. Just shut up. Don't encourage him. Cheers. It's very yummy. Floor is sticky because of last night's party. Hi, Daddy. Daddy, you look like you're going to hit me. The best thing about having a birthday is leftover cake. Looks so good. Hi guys, good morning. I have no energy. My friends left at 4 o'clock, like 4 a.m. and it's 10:30. We have to leave in like 45 minutes because we have lunch with my parents and more family friends. You'll see. I have no energy. I'm trying to do my makeup. I'm gonna talk to you guys after I do my makeup. Oh, it's my birthday today. Okay, so we are getting out. It's 11:30. Look at my handsome husband, guys. So we are going to Leela Palace in Bhartiya City. We're really hungry, as usual. I think you guys hear this like every vlog. So I'm going to the temple first. I'll just quickly go pray and come. And then we'll go. We're going to this Ram temple, which is, I think it's Ram temple or Hanumanji temple. Basically, it's on the way. Jyot and I actually woke up feeling very unwell because we had barely slept and we were exhausted from the day before. But it was my birthday, so we had the whole day planned with family. So we gathered whatever energy we had and started the day. I don't know how, but the moment I entered the Hanumanji temple, I started feeling normal again. I'm not even kidding. Being a devotee of Hanumanji, it felt really nice to come here before heading for my birthday lunch. We were heading to the Leela Palace, Bhartiya City for my birthday lunch with my parents and my family friends. But you guys, I was so grumpy because I was feeling so unwell. You'll probably notice that I barely smiled in the first half of the video and didn't even blend my under eye powder properly. Amra poche gechi Bhartiya City finally. My parents are already there. Neil is also already there. My brother. I don't know if Alok Aunty and all are there yet. And it's like really cloudy, so the weather's nice. It's not hot. Throughout the journey, I was literally watching the time and thinking, when are we going to reach? When we finally reached, I was so happy because I knew the moment I ate, I would feel better immediately. And also, when I walked in, when I saw my mom and dad and my brother, I already started cheering up a little. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Chocolates.
Oh, wow.
Chocolates.
Wow.
Yeah, we slept at 4.
So pretty. You know what was the sweetest thing? My mom actually packed a little tiffin box full of payesh for home. For us Bengalis, payesh is the first thing that you eat on your birthday and I was so excited. For those of you who don't know, payesh is basically kheer. My mom actually woke up early in the morning and made it and even packed extra because she knows her son-in-law loves it too. Once we went in, we changed our seats like twice because obviously I wanted a nice view. And then Alok Aunty and Debashish uncle arrived and you guys have seen them many times in my previous vlogs.
বঞ্জুত
কাকে আগে খাওয়াবো?
আগে তোকে খাওয়াচ্ছি তারপর ওকে খাওয়াচ্ছি
আমার জন্য
তোকে খাওয়াচ্ছি আগে
খুব বড় হলো
জানি খুব ভালো খেতে
Of course.
Yummy.
Of course.
I was teasing my mom, asking her who she was going to feed first, me or Manjot, and then I thought I would get the payesh first, but then apparently Neil, my little baby brother, had already had a bite before me. Anyway, all jokes apart, the payesh was really good. While all of this was happening, my dad was having the best time of his life chatting away with Debashish uncle. Deba and senior uncle and Rita mami were still on their way, but I was so hungry that I decided that I couldn't wait anymore and I was going to start with the starters. Can I have a mix of the papri chaat and the palak patta chaat? A mix. Hey guys, I know this looks messed up, but I've taken, this is the only veg, this and this is veg. Everything else is chicken. I'm really excited for this because I had this last time and it was really good. And that's a mix of palak pata chaat and papri chaat. After a while, Deban and his family had finally arrived.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
I've taken the seafood paella, I don't know what it's called. It's seafood. This is lamb, this is chicken, this is, what do you call it? Singapore noodles, chicken, this is the second serving. And this is the, I don't know, I think some Thai curry, Penang curry or something. I got 14,000 subscribers. Thank you. Devan was basically asking me how my YouTube journey was going, so I gave him a little update. He's been a wonderful supporter and I genuinely am so grateful for that. And also my little brother Neil is no less. He even shares my videos with his friends, which is the cutest little thing and it makes me so happy. Everyone's really full. This is Manjot's dessert plate. I just took one, but I'm gonna take one. It was finally time for dessert, and just like that other courses, this had a huge spread as well. I am so full. I can't even think about food now. I'm so full. Manu, how is it for you?
Worst thing.
है ना?
Yeah.
Neil, किरम लागलो? किरम लागलो? किरम लागलो? Good ना? What was your favorite? जोड़े का था creme brulee. Yeah. And then came the sweetest thing. The restaurant had arranged a cake for me. I got a cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
जोड़े का ही तो होगा.
Happy birthday to you.
अच्छा होएगा तो.
आगे Manjot के खावा.
It's yummy. You do it.
Papa के दिए.
देवान का दिया छी. Thank you. Okay, so we just got done. We ate a lot, no?
Yeah, we did.
Like Devan was saying, the spread is really nice.
Yeah, I've hit my protein goals for this week.
Yeah, there was a lot of options. It was really good. Oh yeah. Manjot, did you know there was sushi? How do you know? It is. Yeah. Yeah. No, I didn't know that. There was sushi, we missed it. But anyway, the food was really good. When I first walked in, I had actually spotted a few places where I wanted to take a few pictures. So after lunch, we headed outside the restaurant to do exactly that. We took a few pictures, chilled for a bit, and I even posted some on Instagram. So if you guys want to see them, the link is in the description box below. We are sitting and chit-chatting, and we'll leave after some time. The Marc Jacobs.
Michael Kaur.
Devan thinks he's very funny.
Yes, I am.
You used to be funny. Just shut up. Don't encourage him. Sure. Johnny. Overall, I had such a wonderful time with my family. My brother coming all the way from his college was so sweet, and my favorite moment was definitely my mom feeding me payesh. The food was exquisite too. If you're looking for a nice place with a huge variety of food, I'll definitely recommend Leela Palace, Bharatiya City. After that, all of us went our own ways. My parents had to go back home because they had work, and Neil was gonna sleep over with them. Manjot and I, on the other hand, we were off to our little birthday date. Every year on my birthday, Manjot would come from Delhi to Bangalore to celebrate my birthday, and we would go on these little dates. And of course, since this year was very special because this was my first birthday after marriage, there was no chance we could miss this date. We left from Leela. Now we are going to Oasis, which is very close to our house. We're not gonna eat anything obviously, but we're just gonna sit there, chill, because I don't wanna just go home and just end the celebrations. I'm really big on my birthdays, so I just want to and go have fun. Manjot and I are just gonna go chill for some time, see how it is. I've heard it's good, I don't know. And then we'll go home and we'll probably sleep a little early. It's also Manjot's dad's birthday today, so that's very exciting. We wished dad, and then tonight he's gonna cut the cake, so we're gonna call him then too. And when I was cutting the cake, they were on video call with us. Everyone called, like my first boss called from like 2019, which is very sweet. Orpidi messaged me at 12. It makes me very happy, all of this. Manjot and I passed Oasis so many times on our way home. We always say that we should come here someday, but that never happened. So for my birthday date, we finally decided to check it out. When we entered, we were honestly so surprised because this place was huge. Oh, this is huge. It wasn't just the indoor space, but they also had a massive outdoor area too. And they told us that we could sit anywhere, which was so wrong because literally Manjot and I spent the next 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm not exaggerating you guys, we just walked around trying to decide where to actually sit. আমরা এখন Oasis এ এসেছি আর I want a Virgin Mary. I don't know if it's there, let's see. Okay, I want drink chale esche. I just got this. I don't know, I don't have it. We also got prawns. Okay, I know I mentioned before that there's no chance that we were going to eat here, but guys, when you come to a place, it's so awkward not to order something. Hence, we ordered the prawns. Okay, this is Manjot's drink and my drink. How's the prawn? It's good. It's very yummy. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Raika, oh, that's so cute. This is such a surprise.
Okay. I don't really.
Okay.
You're wearing green, I'll put green.
Okay. Oh, so sweet. Thank you. Do you want to move the plate?
Paul.
Move the plate. Oh, this is so sweet.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Can't what? I can't hear what Mom's saying. Mom, say it again. Say hi to the vlog. I'm gonna taste this cake. How is it?
Very good.
Yeah?
We've been very good with cakes today.
This is better than...
Leela.
Yeah, it's very good. And we're leaving now, and then I think it's gonna take a long time to go home because of the Phoenix Mall traffic, but we had a nice time. This is a really nice, beautiful place. We are almost home from Oasis. It took us almost 25 minutes because of Phoenix Mall. We're almost home, so it's fine. The temple that I came to this morning was so nice, the Hanumanji temple. I used to always think it's a Ram temple, but no, it's a Hanumanji temple. The plan is we go home, the house, it needs a little one second. So the house needs to be cleaned, like jharu pocha. So I hope we can find someone from Snapit or some place to just quickly come and clean the house, because it really, it's like the floor is sticky because of last night's party. The rest of them though I've done, so it's fine. Hopefully we can sort that out. Otherwise, anyway, tomorrow Didi's coming in the morning, but it's very, like, I can't sleep like that. I'll feel weird. We're probably gonna go watch a movie at home only. That's all. call it a day. After do puja, I'm going to take off my makeup. Manjot and I were really trying to find someone to help clean up, but we didn't find anyone. But anyway, once we reached home, it was time to cut Manjot's dad's birthday cake in Delhi. So we quickly hopped onto a video call to join the celebrations. Oh, Masti! Hi, Daddy! Sat Shri Akal! Sat Shri Akal!
Happy birthday.
Thank you, Daddy! Daddy, you look like you're going to hit me.
Shukriya. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh.
Okay, flip the camera. I think you should hand it to Suhavi. She'll do it better.
Yeah.
Or Masi.
I'm
हाँ.
recording this for my vlog.
Okay. 1, 2,
That is the
3. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. Oh,
so
sweet.
cute.
So sweet.
Finally.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Mithi. My turn. With the Niju. Here, Jappi.
Jiju. I've never heard Masi say that.
Yeah, maybe
Masi
so.
calls Dad Jiju.
No, never. First time I'm hearing.
Yeah.
How was your day?
After the video call, I quickly cleaned up as much as I could. I did my puja and took off my makeup, and then I just stood there looking at all the decorations. I felt so grateful for how beautifully Manjot had planned everything and how my parents brought everyone together the next day for lunch. The last 2 days were filled with so many beautiful memories, and sharing them with you guys meant so much to me. Here's to many more birthdays together. Okay, so it's 10:30 and I think I cannot stay awake anymore. I'm really sleepy. Manjot is already asleep. I came back, I decorated all the flowers, like I took them out of their little bunch and then I put them wherever I could. Yeah, I think this is it for my birthday vlog. I really enjoyed it and I'm going to make a video soon about 30 things I learned in my 30 years. This is a big thing for me. Like, I'm really excited for this decade. I think it's good. Anyway, without complicating this further, I am going to sleep now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.